Hey tech enthusiast, welcome back to Cloud Territory. Today we are diving into the exciting world of Microsoft Azure. To answer a specific question for organizations, how do you pick the right Azure Compute Service for your workload? Whether you're running a small application or you're running a massive AI-driven enterprise workload, Azure has a compute service for you. Let's stick around because I'm going to break it down for you in a fun, simple, and engaging way. Let's get started. First thing first, what's a compute service? Think of it as the engine of your workload. It's the processing power that runs your applications, your websites, your databases, or even your AI model. Azure offers a buffet of compute services, but picking the right one is like picking the perfect pizza topping. It depends on your taste, or in this case, your workload. Azure has options like Virtual Machine, Azure Kubernetes, Azure Function, and more. Each one is tailored to specific needs. So the question is, how do you choose? Let's break it down with a simple 3 steps process.
Step 1 is all about knowing your workload. Ask yourself, what does your app or service need? Is it a web app with steady traffic, a batch process crunching data overnight, or maybe a real-time analytics you need to watch out for in terms of compute intensity? Does your workload need heavy processing like machine learning, or is it lightweight like a simple website? Now, if you're looking at it in terms of scalability, do you expect traffic spikes like during a Black Friday sales or steady usage? In terms of maintenance, do you want full control over the environment, or would you rather let Azure handle the heavy lifting? For example, if you're running a gaming platform with millions of users, you'll need something scalable and fast. But if it is an internal HR tool, you might prioritize simplicity. Know your workload, and you're halfway there. Now it's time to check out Azure's compute menu. Here are the main. The diagram refers to 2 migration strategy: the lift and shift and cloud optimize. The output from this flowchart is your starting point, and the next is to evaluate the service to see if it meets your need. Now, last step is to fine-tune your choice by balancing 3 things: cost, scalability, and in terms of scalability, AKS and function auto scale like magic, perfect for unpredictable traffic. However, VMs require more manual setup to scale. When it comes to management and you want to hands off, you want to go serverless with Azure Functions or App Service. But if you love control, VMs or AKS are your jam. When it comes to costs, Azure Functions and App Service are often cheaper for lightweight or sporadic workloads, while VMs might cost more due to constant running.
You see, it's all about matching the tool to the job. But before we wrap up, here are some pro tips. 1. Use Azure Advisor for your workload recommendation. It's just like you getting Cloud Consultant for free. 2. Experiment. Azure lets you use the free tier services so that you won't have to break the bank. The third tip is start small. Use Azure App Service or Function app. Then scale to AKS or VMs as needed. So what is your workload? Drop it in the comment section, so I'll help you pick the perfect Azure Compute workload for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button for Cloud Statics content like this. Keep building, keep rocking, keep scaling. See you in the next video.